As usual, I measured the noise level before starting, but I forgot to record the comparison with the result after. However, the fact that Mark came back a second time already answered the questions about whether the result was positive. Let me show you what and how I did with the doors first. Of course, I began by trimming the door panel and removing the dust cover. It only protects against dust and water, but since it's just thin plastic, it tends to resonate. The GBL speaker also needed to be removed to give me full access to the metal inside. And inside? Unfortunately, nothing from Toyota to stop any sound, just a pity. The tiny 15 grams of factory vibration damping won't change the car weight. I don't know why Toyota didn't put this. So the first material is STP Gold vibration damping. It stops the thin metal from resonating, especially important on the large doors of the Toyota Yaris GR. I measure it, cut and mount in the material. Rolling it firmly with a long roller is a key. It helps reach every part of the door. The second layer is Shumoff Comfort A20 Pro. This layer blocks incoming sound waves and keeps the car cooler in the summer. To stop the door from breathing while listening to music, I also cover the outer metal panel. This creates a proper acoustic enclosure and decreases comfort while driving also. Next was the boot lid. It was producing noise because sound waves from the subwoofers were shaking all the plastic. I remove the cover, mount it on a clips and be careful with them. And again, as you can see, unfortunately Toyota didn't put anything there to stop noise. And of course, an empty plastic is a great source of echo, which can be annoying while driving. So I treated that as well. The steps are the same: measure, cut and install the material in stripes. Because the boot lid has tiny hollows, only stripes can be installed there. Here you can see the result of the first layer. It's already good enough to stop metal rattles without overstraining the gas lifters. The second layer is STP Sonora. It's a sandwich material. It removes high and mid-frequency noise. You can see the structure. It has 3 different components. I also cut it into stripes to fit into the holes. And it has nice green adhesive layer, making it easy to install on top of the first layer. So let's check what I've done. It's enough to keep a boot lid soundproofed and don't overstrain the gas lifters. So most people would stop here, but I go further. I install vibration damping on the plastic, just 2 stripes are enough to avoid rattles. Plus, I used anti-noise tape under every clip. And to finish, I added STP Plast. It's a soft foam that stops echo. Everything was put back together, checked, and the car was returned to Mark. Now much quieter and more comfortable. So let's check Mark's feedback. Mark.
Hey Dimitri, how are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for coming once again to us.
My pleasure. Yeah.
If I may ask you just to give us feedback about your two doors.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can give you this one.
Sure. Okay, so my feedback is it has been amazing. That's why I came back the second time, and I'll be coming back more to do the back area. But even the first one, the change in the way the car sounds, my sound system, because I've upgraded it, for me, it's like day and night. You know, that's how different it is. When you were telling me about it, I thought, I'm not sure. I thought, is he just saying it to me? But it's and the actual service, your service is amazing, and
happy to
exactly. And you've been, you were telling me how it all works, and I can see the workmanship and the passion that you put in. So I love it.
Thanks
I
for trusting us.
always recommend other people as well. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dimitri. Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Visit me if you like professional sound deadening installed. See you in the next videos.